Chloe, can we get some smiles? Can we get some smiles since you're enjoying your bath? Chloe! Chloe, can you smile? Show Daddy how you smile. Go ahead. Go ahead and smile. You like this bath stuff, I know. Oh, there's a smile. There's one. Can we get some more? Can we get some more? Chloe. Baby girl. What is it? You got stories? What? You got stories for us? How about a smile? How about a smile? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. What's going on with that tongue? No more smiles? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You going for a walk?